Hey, so if you need help with coding, debugging, or learning programming faster, yeah, Google Gemini can be a really useful tool. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to use Google Gemini for coding help in 2026. First thing, go to Google Gemini and sign in with your Google account. Start a new chat. Next, type your coding question clearly. So mention the programming language and what you want to do. All right, ask Gemini to generate code. I mean, it can create scripts, functions, or even full programs. Now ask for explanations. Gemini can break down the code line by line so you understand it. Next, paste your error or broken code so Gemini can help identify and fix issues. All right, ask for improvements. I mean, you can make your code faster, cleaner, or more efficient. And yeah, ask for practice problems. This helps you build skills and learn coding faster. So that's how you use Google Gemini for coding help. If you use it regularly, you can learn and solve coding problems much faster.